In a world like ours and in times like these, when there are advancements in technology happening at breakneck speed in almost every sphere of life, be it IT, telecom, banking, finance, money transfers, healthcare, defense, everywhere you look at it. It's also the time when we as fire professionals, sit back and reflect how fires are going to be fought in future. Whether the ABC powder, water, foam, and CO2 extinguishers of the world still hold ground. Whether our conventional fire suppression systems be still relevant to address the challenges posed by the new world we are all about to enter. Well, we had our doubts and we tried to do something about it. Hello and good morning to you all. My name is Vishal and I welcome you all to yet another episode of the Ceasefire webinar series, where we try to give you an inside view of our cutting-edge fire safety technologies. Viewers, welcome again to the Ceasefire Advanced Intelligence Center. This place is really the ground zero for us in terms of firefighting and the science that goes behind it. It is the place where we test, all our cutting-edge technologies against real fires. It is here that our experts and scientists work hard, and produce for the world outside the very latest in fire technologies. This is also training grounds for us in a big way. Every new person who joins the organization, spends time here to come up to speed on every aspect of firefighting. So viewers, thank you so much once again for taking our time and joining us in the session today. Today's session that is lined up for you is a session on water-based fire extinguishers, which is a special segment we have within our specialty range. But before we begin with the session today, I think I'll give you a little view of who we are as an organization and then proceed into the session. Ceasefire today, viewers, is a fast emerging global fire safety conglomerate with its origin in India. With our globally certified, holistically integrated range of fire safety solutions, we are the rarest organizations in the world to have such a diverse product portfolio all under one roof. So our range of solutions span through a complete spectrum of solutions, be it fire extinguishers, in-panel systems, specialized room systems, special systems for kitchen hood protection, and a whole lot of other specialized systems. All of these are manufactured in our own manufacturing facility in India, and the entire range today, is certified by the leading standards in the world, by the best of the quality agencies, including the ENP, EN 1866, LPCB, BSI Kite Mark, BDS, MED, PED, and some process certifications, including ISO, and OSAS. To give you a sense of our scale and size, today we are a team of about 2,000 people, who work from over 100 company offices spread across geographies to get into the system 3,000 new customers each month. So we today have presence in both the Indian subcontinent and now also in UK. Now, after having consolidated our position as the market leader in the Indian subcontinent, we started to export all over the world. In countries starting from the European world of UK, France. In the Middle East, we export to the countries including Dubai, Qatar, Bahrain. Far East, you have Hong Kong, Singapore, up there in China, and then our immediate neighbors of Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal. So today, as we stand and I speak to you today, we stand at a time where a product from Ceasefire is sold every 61 seconds and is used on a real life fire emergency somewhere in the world, saving life and property, every 5 minutes. So that's in a nutshell who we are as an organization. Coming back to today's session is about a specialized range of extinguishers we have, which is on water-based technology. So come, we'll get started right away, and I'll take you inside the demo block, where I'm going to be joined by a colleague of mine, Amit Bajpai, who's our technology expert in the field. Amit, welcome to the session. And we'd like to begin with, maybe giving you our viewers a view of what this technology is all about, Amit, and then you can take it on from there. we spoke about water mist as the opening thing.
Okay, thanks. So today we are introducing you the technology of water mist as to how the water mist is being created. Uh, Water mist is the tiny particles of water which is between 60 to 150 microns, and it has got a kinetic energy. Uh, there is a uh, break into the water, therefore there is no conductivity is there in the water, so you will not get electrocuted, right? uh, One more thing is very important here, that after becoming this as a water mist technology, you can also fight class F fires, which is a most deadly fire in the world of firefighting. And we have got two technologies of water mist. This is here at this side what we are showing you. This is all a pulse mist water mist technology based on the stored pressure type uh, technology. And we actually have created specially designed dip tubes. So these dip tubes, if you could see, it has got the four mixing chambers inside this, and outside if you see, there is a thick dip tube which is connected with four breathing tubes separately. So this dip tube is being used to bring the nitrogen from the top and water from the top. When it is actuated, the mixing chamber is mixing nitrogen and water together, and this mixed water and nitrogen thing is further traveling onwards to the specifically designed nozzles. So I would like to show you the nozzle here.
These are specially designed nozzles to generate water mist.
Yes. So what happens with the propellant here, you can actually create a kind of kinetic energy,
Sure.
which helps the water mist to reach to the fire and extinguish the fire. So using this pulse mist based technology, and I have shown you four rotors. With the small portable extinguishers, we are using single rotor. Technology is same: single dip tube, single breathing tube, and one mixing chamber. Rest of the technologies are absolutely same. So the water mist technology now further is being extended to two variants. In fact, we have added a very small quantity of foam into it to enable this water mist to fight class B fires also, right? So we have added 1% of the foam or 0.5% of the foam, making it a foam mist or a green foam mist.
Sure. So allowing the viewers to just absorb the range a little, I'd like to pan the camera on the entire range. So like Amit explained, one side of the water mist is on the CAF technology, which is the cartridge with
this one I would like to explain. This is compressed air foam system technology, where you have external cartridge.
Sure.
Here you can see there are two versions of it, 9 liters and 50 liters. 9 liters, 50 liters, both are BSI tested. While 9 liter is tested as per EN 37, and 50 liter is tested as per EN 1866.
Sure.
So both are certified by BSI and kite mark. 50 liter is kite mark. 9 liter we have got a verification certificate because it is having some deviations versus 3.7, because 3.7 doesn't permit you a backpack.
Sure. And I see humongous fire ratings here, 233B and 4B there. So in the 9 liter variant,
These
it's
are
a very high rating of 233B.
So 9 liter special foam does a fire rating of 43A and 233B, wherein the 50 liter does a 4B. So that's the size of the fire what you would fight using these extinguishers. When we come to the pulse mist side of it, we have got foam mist.
So this is the portable segment.
The portable segment.
Water mist and foam mist.
And foam mist, you can fight class A, class B, class F, and electrically started fire. So all classes of fire, this is applicable. This is as good as your powder extinguishers for class A, B, and C. Wherein, in addition to that, you also get a firefighting capability of class F, which powder cannot do. So that's where this is becoming a kind of
sizing of 2, 3, 6, 9 in the foam mist, and the same in the water
foam
mist.
mist. We have 2 and 6, and when we go to water mist, we have 2, 3, 6, and 9.
2, 3, 6, and
So
9.
4 brands. Here also, if I talk about the biggest on the 9 liter, it can fight a fire of 21A and 75F. 75F means 75 liters of cooking oil burning, heated, and extinguished using this technology.
Sure.
In fact, your 6 liter can also do a 75 amp.
Yes.
So that's the maximum limit of fire into class F. That's what it could do. When we talk about class B, your 9 liter, 6 liter can do 144 B. So that's the size of the fire. It does 40 F and it does 13 A. So that's the fire rating. So these extinguishers have got the best of the fire ratings what we could achieve because the advancement in the technology.
Next one.
The next one is a dual cylinder based system, and these are two cylinders of 6.5 liters each, that is 13 liter. There is a specially designed nozzles. This is also pulse mist based technology, and this is available, the version is available into a trolley and a backpack combo.
So this one is mounted on the trolley. If you see, this is on the wheels.
Yeah.
And the same thing can also
So
be
you
put
have
on
a
the
harness, you can wear it at your back also. So depending on the way you want to fight a fire, this gives you a very ease to reach to the fire very quickly, either by this the wheel or by the backpack option.
I see a very specialized gun here, which again can be worked on two modes. You know, you can shift the mode from the jet to the spray mode, and there is a special protection for the firefighter right there.
Yeah. So with the EN 1866 range, which is the trolley mounted range of pulse mist, or you talk about the cap.
Yes.
The nozzles have got this special provision of a jet mode or a spray mode.
Sure.
So depending on a fire, what you are approaching, the way you are approaching to a fire, you can actually switch on your modes and you can reach to jet mode and spray mode. So while you are away from the fire and from a safe distance, you can fight a fire with a jet mode so that the intensity of fire can come down. And once the fire intensity is brought to the control level, then you can go nearer, change the direction to a spray mode and finish the final flame.
Sure.
So that's what is the technology with this jet and spray.
Sure. So we saw the cat, we saw the portable water mist and foam mist.
Yeah.
We then saw Action Pack, the portable and backpack trolley mounted and the backpack water mist. And this is also available in the foam mist version.
Yes, it is available in water mist and foam mist.
Version.
Our trolley, which we call as a quad,
and
is
then
also
you have finally the
available.
quad.
Yeah. So it is also available in foam mist and water mist version.
Right.
Similarly, here also your options are there. Only cap is available in only foam version. So the name sounds itself, it is CAFS, compressed air foam system.
Correct. We should talk a little about quad. This particular thing is available in 25 liter, 50 liter, and 100 liter capacity.
Yes, the biggest size is 100 liter.
Yes.
And the fire ratings is the maximum what we had achieved is 4B. That is, we have achieved only with 25 liters.
Sure.
Because there is no bigger ratings are available in EN 1866.
You only achieve the maximum.
Yeah, so we have achieved the maximum with the 25 liters. And obviously the same rating is applied on 50 and 100.
I see a very specialized gun here again. The profile of the gun is spectacular. Again, this has the provision to change the mode from the jet to the spray mode. And this becomes part of the system. Okay, so after having explained you, viewers, the range, let's move on to some real action, you know, and show you these products in action. I mean, that'll be
yeah,
really
Vishal, we have done a few setups today. Some of the class A fires, class B fires. We had also created a mock-up which resembles a kind of your office or a home environment.
Right.
And we would like to demonstrate as to what if you are using a water mist or a powder into the same environment, which is an indoor application.
So do you want to begin with that? Is that the first thing that you lined up?
I would like to show that. So please follow me. Thank you very much. So here we have done a small setup where we have kept some fruits and some electronics, some files. We would like to light a small fire here, and we would like to extinguish it first with the water mist technology so that you can see there is no visibility problem. You can breathe well. Absolutely everything will be neat and clean here. And after that, then we'll be doing a fire with the powder. And once we do with the powder, you will see that what kind of effects or what kind of problems are coming. So I think it is better that all the viewers should see the demonstration and see it live and decide as to what is the difference between both the products.
So I call for the guy to
yes, can I is invite the firefighter just to light a fire, and I'm getting ready in the meantime. Thank you, Chandpal. So here is your fire. My product is ready. With one spray, I think I can finish this fire like this. Take it, you go closer, and so it's done. So it's a hectane fire which I have just finished with only water, is because fire size was small, so it could be done very fast. And even this product can do a very good firefighting for you. It could do 1A fire for you, which is 5A for you. Yeah.
And we still have small room, if you can see, there is no problem with visibility, and we can see each other everywhere very well. No smoke, no clouds or dust anywhere. So absolutely clean. The food items are absolutely safe, still to be consumed right away.
So maybe it's time to restart the fire again.
And this time,
I'm now getting ready with the powder. So and I'm going to wear my mask because I know there will be some powder coming out. Can I ask the firefighter to come in and light this fire for me? Thank you, Chandpal. So now you see, I'm going to start the powder, right? And I'm fighting from the same distance. So,
and then you can see
the cloud of the powder, although I have sprayed maybe 100 or 200 grams of powder only, but you can see what has happened inside. Cameraman can go closer and can show us. You can actually step outside. Yeah, please come out.
Even for us to give you the footage.
Yeah, you can see it from outside also if you want to show a glimpse of the room. So this is what happens with the powder. This was just 1 kg of the powder, out of which I would have sprayed maybe 200 grams of the powder, and that's the situation. If just you can assume if I would have sprayed 4 kg, 6 kgs inside a room, then what would happen? Now the next one, the demonstration is ready. We are going to light a small crib, class 8 fire, wood crib fire.
And which product are you?
And we will be fighting it with the action pack. Okay. Again, the water mist version.
Sure.
So pure water, and we'll fight this fire. So my firefighter will help me to fight this fire for me. So I'm giving a little bit of pre-burn.
And the pre-burn is largely to let the fire establish a little.
Yes, yes.
Okay, he will go when you prompt.
So maybe at a count of 3. Chandpal, are you ready?
Yes, he's outside.
You ready? Okay, great. You want to let the fire grow further? I don't mind.
Yes, very established.
Yeah, this product can do even bigger fire than this. So, yeah, but I want the heptane to get finished so that the pre-burn starts in the wood. So that's the action pack, what my firefighter is using. He's using it on a trolley. I think we have given enough pre-burn.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
the heat.
Yeah, you can see the heat also. At the count of 3, firefighter ready, 3, 2, 1, and go. Lovely. Very good. You can go closer.
And that's the beauty of water mist, because it's best suited for the deep seated fires, especially the A-class ones.
Yeah.
It just brought down the temperature to below combustion levels immediately, and the flames are completely out.
Thank you, Chandrapal. So now it's time to move out and let us show you some more products in action. I have one more family member of Pulse Mist Technology here.
The biggest one.
That's the biggest one. And in the meantime, they are getting ready with the quad demonstration, which is the trolley on a foam mist version. So let us start that fire first. So can I ask cameraman to go closer and take a shoot of that? Yeah. Yes, that's the place. Please stay here. Stay distance. Yeah. So this is 25 liters of quad foam mist technology fire extinguishers, which we are now starting. This can do 4B fire. So you can see now. Can we fight the fire now? 3, 2, 1, and go! Lovely. So
You can see
the thick foam.
the thick foam here.
And this foam has come out with only with the 1% of AFFF added to the total extinguishing agent. And this quality of foam can only be achieved because of our pulse mist technology and our water mist technology added together. Only with 1%. Can I ask Chandrapal, can you come and can you show us a throw?
Just see the throw of the
spray. Can you just camera please move there? Yeah. Okay. Let's see this. See how the throw is going. Just see. So this product can do minimum 14 meters of the distance what you could achieve at a jet mode, and when we are firing it at a spray mode, then you have a umbrella being created around the firefighter. Here you can see the umbrella. This is jet mode, spray mode. You can keep on switching your mode.
Okay, moving on to
so moving to the next technology. I would like to explain this technology to you. This has got 4 cylinders. Each cylinder has got 62.5 liters of agent, which is mixed with only 1% of the AFFF foam. It has got multi-rotors inside. So every cylinder has got a 4 rotor. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have total 16 rotors are there inside for mixing the nitrogen and the agent together. This is connected to a manifold at the center, and this manifold is further connected to a cannon. So this cannon helps you to fight a fire 360 degrees. You can take a full round of this cannon. So whichever direction you have a fire, you can move it. So that's one. Second thing, you have a hose reel here. So the idea of this system is when you have a large size of fire, you can fight the fire from a safer distance. This gives you approx 22 meters of the throw. You can fight it from a far distance, and once the fire comes under control, this hose reel, the firefighter can run with and can reach very close to the fire and can fight the fire to finally finish it up. So that's what is the product. So you can move the camera there. I think firefighters are ready to light the fire. They've already poured the oil. Yeah. So you have to be away from the throw area. Because
so we are going to fight it from a very large distance, about over 20 meters, Amit?
Yeah. So it is like approximately 17-18 meters from there. As the fire is becoming bigger and bigger, we are getting the product ready. Lovely. Yeah. Can I ask my firefighter to start on a count of 3, 2, 1, go? Look at this. Look at the flow. Lovely.
Lovely. This is beautiful.
You actually don't need to take the hose reel there, but can I request you to just pull the hose reel and run towards the fire area so that everyone can see how the hose reel is working. So look at this.
So like you explained,
Like this, the hose reel can.
so the cannon is, the role of the cannon is to fight the fire, and then the.
So look at this. This is creating umbrella, and so this has also got a jet and spray mode. There is a umbrella which is being created so that the firefighter is absolutely safe from the fire. Very good. Thank you very much. So now you can see the thick foam which is being generated by the cannon because of the mixing has been done using the multi-rotors inside the container. So
Oh, it's all milky white.
it's all thick.
Yeah, it's
Very thick.
And that is what really decides how potent the agent becomes on the Class B fire, the thickness of the foam and how, rich the foam.
So our next demonstration will be of the CAF, compressed air foam system, which we would be putting on our back. So it is a backpack, and we'll be fighting a Class B fire again. So can I please request you to bring the backpack? Okay. So help him to wear it, or you can wear it alone also. So that's where the firefighter is getting ready. You can go closer to the firefighter also while he's getting ready.
And maybe show a closer profile of the product while he's mounting the product on his back.
So can I please request you to come here? Thank you. So you have got a belt where you can mount your gun, and you have a backpack here. Can you please turn? Look at this. This is 9-liter CAF, and can I please request you to start firefighting? Thank you, Chandrapal. So start with the jet mode, and then come closer to this. So yeah.
How big is the stroke of this one, Amit?
Oh, this is around 13 meters. Can you please start? 3, 2, 1, go! Lovely. So you like it? Good, thank you. So that's it from the product demonstration side.
So I hope viewers, I hope you have enjoyed the demonstration that we lined up. With this, we will close the live demonstration segment of the webinar, and we will now open up the session for you to ask any questions from our technology expert viewers. So you are most welcome to ask any questions, and we will be happy to answer. Or for our Facebook viewers, we'll take your leave. And thank you so much for joining us today. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comment box, and we'll be very happy to get them answered. Thank you so much indeed for joining.
Thank you very much. So I would request the webinar cameraman also to close the webinar camera, and we'll be back into the conference room. If there are any questions, we'll be more than happy to revert back to you from there only. Thank you very much.
Perfect. Okay, great. So I'm back in the office, and I'm awaiting any questions from anyone. So friends, you can write your question on a Q&A mode if you have any questions.
I think we'll give it a minute or two. If there is anybody who wants to ask anything, for them to type in. Otherwise, you are welcome to also visit our website, leave any comments that you may have, and we'll be very happy to get them answered. Also on our Facebook and social media handles, one can write in any query, and we'll get back to you with every detail possible.
Yeah, I think there are no questions, and yeah, in case of anything is there, you can send your queries directly to our website, and we'll be more than happy to revert back to you. So I think we'll call it a session, and thank you very much for joining. And we look forward to see you again during our next session. And keep watching us, keep sending your queries. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much indeed for joining. See you again on the 30th when we have another session lined up on another specialty range.
Yeah. There is a question from Fire Right. Is water mist is MED approved? Yes, I think so. I need to check actually which model is approved, because we have not got all the models approved. So we will be replying back to you specifically which model is approved by MED. So there are models which are approved for MED also. So I'll check and I'll get back to you. So that's the only question.
Lovely then. Thank you so much indeed, everyone, for joining in. And like I mentioned, on the 30th, we hope to see you again, where we've lined up another webinar on another range of specialized solutions, from Ceasefire. We'll be doing a webinar on Launcher, the world's first automatic fire extinguisher, and Ceasefire Mini, the world's smallest fire suppression system. So hope to see you there, on the 30th. Thank you once again, everyone, for joining. Thank you.
Thank you very much.